Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 4. So we have like this. Next, we can see that we have negative 1 over y to the power of 3, and first derivative of y over y to the power of 4. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So in this situation, I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y to the power of 3. So if we do first derivative, we have number 3 over y to the power of 4 dy over dx after we do first derivative in here. So because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one that is about this one. This one that is about v. Next, we multiply both sides by number 3. So we have v and first derivative of v that is about linear differential equation. So I will need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that number 27 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. And you got e to the power of 27 f and x. Later that number 27 go inside about natural law in here. So that should be about e to the power of f and x to the power of 27. And you got this one. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have like this. And 27 divided by 16. And that is about 11. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This is v. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So that should be like this. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b. multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vx to the power of 27. This one, that is about number 12 over number 12. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.